A business intelligence (BI) tool is a critical asset for companies aiming to harness data-driven decision-making. Its value lies in its ability to centralize and analyze vast amounts of data, transforming it into actionable insights. The ability to create custom dashboards elevates this functionality by allowing organizations to tailor the presentation of key metrics and trends to their unique needs and goals. Custom dashboards enable teams to focus on the most relevant data, improve efficiency by reducing time spent sifting through irrelevant information, and facilitate informed decisions in real time. They also promote cross-departmental alignment by providing a unified visual representation of performance indicators, fostering collaboration and strategic growth across the organization. InFocus comes equipped with a powerful BI tool that features an extensive collection of pre-built dashboards. More importantly, it empowers customers to design custom dashboards tailored to meet both executive and business-level objectives, as well as the specific needs of the shop floor. This flexibility ensures that organizations can seamlessly align their data insights with strategic goals and operational demands. Find out how easy it is to make sense of your data with InFocus.